Before starting, disassemble the heater. Please prepare a 3mm and a 4mm hex wrench, and an L-shaped 7mm socket spanner, and a cross screwdriver. First, remove all the screws on the case with the 4mm hex wrench. Then remove the fuel cap and the rubber sealing ring. Lift the case and unplug the cable for the controller. When removing the side cases, you need to lift and then take them out. For baseboard removing, first, remove the screws of the clamp that fasten the elbow exhaust with the 3mm hex wrench. Then, remove the screw on the clamp at the bottom of the elbow exhaust with the socket spanner. Then, remove the elbow exhaust. Remove the screw on the clamp for air intake pipe with the socket spanner. Hold the fuel pipe with the plier and pull it out. Remove the air intake for the chamber and fuel pipe. Then remove the 4 fasten screws for the baseboard with the cross screwdriver. Remember to release the socket plug. There is a little bit technique for it. Pressing down the whole socket, the buckle will pump up. Then pull out the socket. Pry open the clip, and then take out the fuel pipe.